The lovely Coconino National Forest has lots of lava and much of it covered by abundant forest, also scattered volcanoes. Just lovely country, and I've been spending most of a month out here. Overhead, in the evening and night and early mornings, I can hear common nighthawks patrolling and singing and hunting insects way up high and then displaying a beautiful sound. So I'm going to see if I can pull off Norah Jones' Nightingale. It's a little tricky, and then my arrangement has caused me to kind of flub a few times. Let's see if I got take 3. Nightingale, sing us a song of a love that once belonged. Nightingale, tell me your tale. Was your journey far too long? Does it seem like I'm looking for an answer to a question I can't ask? I don't know which way the feather falls, or should I blow it to the left? Nightingale, sing us a song of a love that once belonged. Nightingale, tell me your tale. Was your journey far too long? All the voices that are spinning all around me try to tell me what to say. Can I fly right behind you? You can take me away, 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 away. Does it seem like I'm looking for an answer to a question I can't ask? I don't know which way the feather falls. Should I blow it to the left? Well, I'll go with that one. Let's hear some more Nighthawks tonight. Bye now.